Kia ora! Welcome to the third lesson on comparisons and preferences. Today, we'll learn how to say that we prefer one thing over another. If you haven't already, I recommend watching the other two videos on comparisons and preferences. Simple comparisons and do you like it? Because how we say I prefer is a combination of the two. If I want to say I prefer, we say e pai ake ki au. Translated literally, this means it's better to me. Then we put the comparison. First, the thing that we prefer, followed by the word I and the thing that we don't prefer. E pai ake ki au te tiakarete I te porokori. I prefer chocolate to broccoli. I repeat, the last two videos explain the parts of this sentence in more detail. Now I want to introduce that the pieces of the sentence can be interchanged. So long as ki goes before the person with the preference and I goes before the thing that isn't the preference. He pai ake ki au te tiakarete I te porokori. I prefer chocolate to broccoli. E pai ake te tiakarete ki au I te porokori. I prefer chocolate to broccoli. He pai ake te tiakarete I te porokori ki au. I prefer chocolate to broccoli. They're all the same. And to negate this sentence, we add ka hore at the beginning. Ka hore he pai ake ki au te tiakarete I te porokori. I don't prefer chocolate to broccoli. Let's practice, while also learning some new words. Ngahuru means autumn. Koanga means spring. How could we say, I prefer autumn to spring? He pai ake ki au te ngahuru I te koanga. Te ngeru means the cat. Te miraka means milk. Te wai means water. How could we say the cat does not prefer water to milk? Ka hore he pai ake ki te ngeru te wai I te miraka. Peihi pōro means baseball. Pakikete pōro means basketball. How could we say he prefers baseball to basketball? He pai ake ki aia te peihi pōro I te pakikete pōro. There you have it. Now you know how to say that you prefer one thing over another in Māori. Ka kite!